Allahumma barik wa salli wa sallim nahmadu wa salli ala rasulil karim amma ba'. Rasulullah SAW said, protect your possessions by payment of zakat, treat your patients by giving sadaqah, and face the waves of afflictions with supplications and crying unto Allah in humility. Rasulullah SAW said, protect your possessions by payment of zakat, treat young patients by giving sadaqah, and face the waves of afflictions with supplications and crying unto Allah in humility. Note the Arabic word hasinu. Hasinu is derived from tahsin, which means building fortifications all around. The hadith means that as a man living in a fort is safe against attacks from all sides, similarly the property becomes safe after zakat has been paid on it, like a treasure kept in a fortress. A hadith says once Rasulullah SAW was sitting at Al-Hatim in the Masjid of Kaabah when a man mentioned some people who had suffered a great loss because of the sea waves had washed away their property. Rasulullah SAW said, whenever any property is destroyed in a jungle or on a sea, it is because of the non-payment of zakat. So protect your property by payment of zakat. Treat your patients with sadaqah and check the calamities by making dua unto Allah, because dua removes a calamity that has been fallen and checks it if it is about to descend. When Allah Ta'ala wills the survival of a people or wills that they thrive, He grants them chastity and adorns them with the manly qualities of liberality and large-heartedness. And when He wills the annihilation of community, they indulge in the breach of trust. May Allah give us tawfiq to put all this into practice and convey to others. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma bihamdika, asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun, wa salamun alal mursalin, walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.